just finished, obviously, taking a shower. I'm gonna do some makeup and we're gonna get the day started and I'll let you know what we're up to today. So makeup, go. Now I have to do my hair. Okay, I'm finally ready. I always feel super good after working out and then just like taking a nice hot shower, taking your time. I really love the weekend, guys. Like, I really love my weekends. So we're gonna run some errands. We got to go to the grocery store. We're gonna eat, of course, and then Michael's craft store, and then I do a lot of chores throughout the day. So come along with me. I'm so excited. I know you guys have a bunch of questions on asking me, where have you been? Like, it's been maybe a year since I've been on this channel and I got a lot to explain, so come along. Listen to this crunch. Alright, so we're gonna go grocery shopping at Osaka Market, which is like a Japanese market, and honestly guys, this is like my guilty pleasure, but I fucking love, sorry, should I cuss? I don't know. I freaking love going to, specifically, not just like an Asian market like Ranch 99 or just like a general Asian market. I love specifically going to like a Korean market. Sorry, I'm like crossing the street. Korean markets or like Japanese markets, because I feel like you can find things specifically just for that market. You can't get that like Ranch 99 or like a regular grocery store. So this is gonna be really fun. This is like my favorite section. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna spend my entire life here. Oh my god, that is like the cutest thing ever, but it's not advertised for cats. It's advertised for humans. But oh my god, what? From Osaka? Why do I want to buy this? Yo. Oh my god. Oh, and it comes with like a booklet. Oh my god, but it's $60, guys. Ugh. I always have to buy one of these. These are like my favorite. I also like the red bean one too, but honestly, this is the best one. The Mitirashi Dango. I'm not gonna buy anything today, but oh my god, this one looks so tempting. So I did get a few things from, sorry, I'm like looking here because I'm there, but the camera lens is right here, from the grocery store. Just like things I needed, like miso and panko. But guys, this is the piece de resistance. Look at this delicious looking sweet potato. So they're already roasted, and the sweet potatoes, I can confirm, are from Japan. And this was a little expensive. It was $15 for maybe 4 pieces in here. But I'm like salivating. I cannot wait to have that tomorrow morning for breakfast. And then as a light lunch, I got an onigiri. This is the tuna mayo flavor. And what I like about this is, if you've never seen these packaging before, the seaweed is not like touching, oh my god, look at my arm. I'm like, hey guys. The seaweed's not touching the rice. And so it's like packaged in a way where the seaweed is separated from the rice until you open it. Oh, I just rolled down my window. Ooh. So the thing is, whoever put this together made it difficult even for me to open. Okay, whoever put this together did not do it right, because like half my seaweed came off. That's all right. And then just there. Yeah, look, there's still seaweed in here. Someone didn't do it right. Whatever. And then we cheer. Mm. And it's still hot. And honestly, why did they only give me such a small lemon? Okay, well. God. Okay, the goal is to buy everything I need, not everything I want, okay? Because I feel like I'm gonna end up buying things that I do not need. But wish me luck. All right, so we're doing like an art project for work. So I need to get some vinyl. I already got a little mat. There are so many options of this vinyl stuff. Like I have no idea on like which one to get. Oh my god, there's so many pretty colors. But what do I get all when it's like super expensive? I'm just gonna get 2 colors. Okay, we're gonna go to Whole Foods, but there's a teaspoon next door and I really want boba. Hey guys, Angela here. It's been a very, very long time. I'm home after doing all those errands and I thought to catch up on where I've been. I went viral, so here's the thing. I wanted to take a break from filming YouTube to focus on my career, like my personal life, and just like my personal well-being, which only meant to be a month long, but here we are, I think a year and a half later. A couple things are different. Hair is shorter, blonde again. I went viral on TikTok for this video. God knows why, how, but it somehow accumulated to 10.6 million views. So now, if you haven't noticed, I've been kind of focusing a lot of my cooking content on TikTok. So I suggest, if you want regular cooking content, follow my TikTok account. And then I am now 30 years old. What? Where did the time go? Like, I started cooking and filming myself when I was at the age of 20. 10 years later, here we are. I look the same. Have to say, I look good for 30. I still have my kale sweatshirt. If you remember that old YouTube video where I went vegan for a week, that's where this is from. So yeah, that's where I've been. It started out as a month break from just social media to now a year and a half later. As you started this video, this is a vlog. I am going to be trying to transition this channel into more of a vlogging style channel. Like I said, my TikTok will be primarily focused on cooking. So please follow me on TikTok if you want really good cooking videos. But other than that, here we are. I'm gonna boil some tea and we are gonna eat a pastry. And I got some work to do. I just made buffalo cauliflower wings. I just did a TikTok video on it, so if you want to watch the recipe. This is jalapeno ranch. I like things spicy, obviously. Also, I am obsessed with rewatching The Mindy Project. This is the second time I'm watching it.
Sorry.
What am I gonna do?
And it's so good. Like, I love The Mindy Project, guys. This is like my comfort show. I watched a show when I was in college, so it really brings me back. So I'm gonna do this, eat this, I could explain. And I'll get back to you guys.
From that chia seed I had last night. No, I made an entire extra cake just for you.
You love this show?
Yeah, he does.
I'm gonna cook a super easy dinner. I'm gonna make some basmati rice. And then I will be using this butter masala, some chicken, and that's gonna be our dinner tonight. It's super cold, and so this meal is gonna warm us up. This is dinner. This is leftover bologna bread, which is like a Middle Eastern flatbread with spinach inside, basmati rice that I cooked earlier, and a chicken tikka masala. Melt your makeup off. And so I'll do this, and then I'll do a cleanser, and then I use warm water. And then the cleanser I use is the Tatcha rice wash. This one is really good because it has like bits of rice in it. So it kind of exfoliates your skin. Now my face is clean. I go in with the Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence from COSRX, or is it COSRX? And then I'll do a pump of that on my skin. Go in with the Inkyless, the Inkyless retinol. I've been using retinol lately for preventative reasons, so I'll just use that much. This is a very affordable brand from Sephora, and it's rave reviews, so look at that. And then this is my favorite moisturizer of all time. It's the Pharmacy Honey Halo. This is literally my like 5th jar of this stuff. Facial tool. I'll rub like any excess moisturizer I have on it, and then I'll wash. I'll roll my face.